Do you want to beat erectile dysfunction? Well, I've been looking after people with this for 20 years, and here's my top 5 hacks on how to beat it. My name's Snook, I'm a sexual and reproductive health specialist, and this is the Kiwi Sex Doctor, where I give you tips, tricks and hacks for a better sex life. So, number one of the most important things in erectile dysfunction is to try and work out if the problem's coming from the brain or you've got a problem with your penis. There's one simple rule to find that out. If you can have an erection at any time, an early morning erection, one in the night when you're masturbating, but not when you're with a partner, then the problem's up here. If you're never getting erections, the problem's down there. The treatments are really different. Number 2, sexual function is directly related to how well you are. So if you're super tired, if you're not eating well, if you're drinking too much alcohol, if you're taking drugs, all of those things are going to affect your sexual functioning. So don't expect to have great erectile function if you're not looking after yourself. Number 3, if you're over the age of 40 and you've got erectile problems, you're probably worth getting your testosterone level checked. It's not going to be the problem for everyone, but it's going to be a problem, or at least a contributing problem for many of people, that their testosterone levels are lower than they should be. If you haven't checked it, you won't know. Number 4, if you're taking a drug like Viagra or Cialis or one of the other versions of these to try and help with erectile function, give it enough time to work. You can't swallow a pill and expect it to be working in 5 minutes' time. Optimally, the short-acting ones, like Viagra, take at least an hour to reach their absolute peak effect. And something like Cialis, if you're taking it as a every now and again tablet, can take up to 6 hours to reach its peak effect. So give yourself plenty of time. Take the tablets in advance so that they're ready when you need them. Or, even better in my opinion, take something like a daily version where the medication's already in your system. So something again like daily Cialis or daily tadalafil. A 5 milligram dose every single day will just mean your erection's always ready for you, rather than having to think, am I going to be having sex in a couple of hours' time? Just have it there and have it ready. And tip number 5, don't discard the simple things by looking at all the pharmacology first. Simple things like elastic bands, cock rings, around the base of the penis or around the base of the penis and the scrotum can provide some extra pressure and just help keep the blood inside the penis. And there's a very, very simple and quick, easy thing to do to improve the amount of blood that stays in your penis and gives you a better erection. So I hope that was helpful for you. Thumbs up if it was, really appreciate that. Otherwise, leave me some comments below, ask me some questions about things you might want answers to, and I'll see what I can do about answering them. Thanks for your time today.